maybe this is nuanced, but I feel like I learn something every time I talk to you guys. And when we think about cyber, especially, I think that this is on the minds of a lot of our, viewers, given the amount of system outages that we've seen across the industry due to some form of cyber attack in the last, call it, 3 months. When is when is a cyber policy triggered, or when is it considered a hack versus is there negligence in the way that a team is either keeping their system secure, or if somebody clicks on a phishing email, is that considered a hack, or is that considered negligence of the team not being educated to, protect themselves? Just curious of where those either overlap or are completely separate.
Those would be covered under a cyber policy, both those situations. But if it's a situation that the industry continues to be negligent, then you probably are going to see an exclusion down the road for that situation. But both of those situations would be covered under cyber policy.
And at the end of the day, the when you use the word hack, that vernacular covers an enormous number of different breaches, compromises, and things. Because when you start talking about hacking the computer, that is considerably more difficult, although the hackers can do it, than hacking an individual, which is convincing them to click on that link for Starbucks gift certificate or whatever, or those pictures they want to see from the bachelor party, or whatever is their blind spot, because everybody's got a blind spot. It'll be different for everybody. I don't begin to pretend, that I don't have one, because I'm sure I do.
Yeah, no, and I appreciate that, because I think that that's where, especially in our world, from a certified point of view, we really look at more and more people getting tricked, getting socially engineered, right? And then that leads then to funds getting sent to a fraudulent party. And so that's where it is interesting to think about, really understanding your policies to make sure that you are covered in those sorts of scenarios, or you're not, and understand why you would then need some sort of other supplemental process or procedure or technology to help keep you safe. But that's super helpful, especially in understanding, what cyber typically does cover.
And Tyler, one other thing too, that the cautionary tale that I said about understanding your policy and having a good relationship with your agent or agency, that's not just a once in a lifetime thing. That is on renewal, because the underwriters continually learning more. The fraudsters are getting more advanced, more educated on our protections around it, and they are these things keep evolving. And just because it was true in 2015 does not mean it's true in 2024. Whatever your even an accurate belief from 2015 could be mistaken today.